What's up, Gorgeous Nation? It's your girl, Gorgeous today, and I'm back in the video. And I don't know why I say video like that. I don't even say the whole thing. I say video. But it's simply that time today. I'm gonna be doing a little slime experience. So you already see the ingredients I got here. I don't even know if you can see salt, but I got some salt here. I think I'm gonna need a little bit more than this, but y'all see the ingredients that I'm working with, and like I said, I'm gonna be doing an experience with vinegar, baking soda, and salt, and mix it with slime. I want to see how it's gonna turn out. Is it gonna turn out like? Is it gonna make like slime? Is it gonna deactivate? Is it gonna get hard? Is it gonna do what I want it to do? So if you guys want to see more videos like this, do not forget to, oh my god, smash that like button, turn your post notification bell to know when I post, and subscribe, and let's get straight on to the video. I'm so, I keep saying video, I keep on saying video, and I honestly don't know why I say it like that. I say video, I don't know why I don't say video, but I say video. But I got, like, I have this medium-sized spoon right here and this bowl that I'm gonna be mixing up with. This is like a little bigger than what I actually make, but so we're going big or go home, because you know that's what I like to do. I'm extra. I like to go big or go home, because if I go small, there's no point in making even slime, because what's the point of making small slime? There's no fun of it. So the first thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add. Can I see the salt? I got a bigger thing of salt. Free flowing, and I'm just gonna dump the salt in there first before I start doing anything, because like I want to see what it's gonna do, because honestly I never tried this. Like, I know vinegar and baking soda makes like an explosion, but I honestly do not know what happens when you add salt. So we're going to be adding like a nice size of salt. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm going to move all this stuff to the side. Ooh. And as you see my shirt, it says breaking news, I do not care. That's my new saying. But I'm going to be adding some more salt. I'm trying not to make a mess, but that's the whole thing. Make a mess. Not the whole thing. Well, like, have fun. I'm not trying to, because I feel like that's, yeah, I got it all the way to the real. So, I have some little colors here. I have some purple. I'm thinking about mixing them. Have some lavender, slime coloring, and some peach pigment, like a peach hot pink. Not hot pink, but like, on the light side, peach pink. And then I got some neon glitters. I have neon yellow. As you can see, I have neon yellow. What's this called? Hot pink. I have this glitter, I think. I have it like in this container. I have this one. I have a bright orange. I have a light bright pink. I have a bright green, bright blue, like a not pixie dust. What's it called? Dang it. It's not holographic. It's holographic. I'm just call it pixie dust. I'm gonna call it pixie glitter. I don't honestly know if that's the name, but that's what I'm gonna be calling it. We got pixie dust. We got all black, and we got this color. I don't know. We're gonna call that sparkle party. We got silver party. We got just like a dark green, a turquoise, a dark purple, and another mermaid glitter. And that's the same thing with this pack, but you basically see all of them like together. I had got 2 of those, and I had got a 16 pack. I had got the red, the orange, basically the basic colors, and with silver and more stuff, and brown. So that's what I got over there. And then I got just like the fishbowl beads. And like I said, I have some shaving cream, like some shave foam, some baking soda, some glue, I think this is a 32 fluid ounce glue. I have some vinegar. I like to use this in my cucumbers and my what's it called? My cucumbers and my sunflower seeds. But that's just a little snack for y'all if y'all ever want to try that. Just go try it because it tastes really good. And some with the vinegar and the Italian Olivia. Oh, I said Olivia. Olive Garden salad dressing, Italian. Then I got not even a half bottle, but like basic. This is a 1 gallon, but obviously I haven't I've been using it, but I still got a little bit in there, so I was thinking of I'm gonna use it too. So I already got the salt in there. I want to feel it. Oh, that feels so good. Can y'all see that? That feels good. Like, hold up, let me do it. And then it leaves your fingerprints. So I feel like this is gonna be exciting. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I hope it turns to slime. I honestly don't think it's gonna turn to slime because I know I did it. No, I never did it. I think I had only did it with the baking soda and like some already made slime, and they had made like this watery texture. I don't know how. I think it's from the vinegar and the salt, but I don't know if it's gonna work with Tide because that was already made slime, like store-bought slime. So I'm pretty curious. So I already got this, and then I'm gonna go ahead and poke a hole in whatever this glitter, not glitter, but glitter flowing around. I don't know. Okay, right here. So do not forget to smash that like because I'm really excited to see how this turned out. Because all I know is that this baking soda and vinegar is gonna make some bubbles. It's already coming out, so I guess I'm gonna open it right here. I doubt that's the way, but I'm gonna try to do it before I ask for help. I know Christmas is not even almost here, but y'all excited for those holidays? What's your favorite holiday? My favorite holiday is Christmas and Thanksgiving. Mostly Christmas because my birthday, that's my birthday month. And smash that like button if you're a Sagittarius because, you know, we got Sagittarius in the buildings. Feel me? So that's how this baking soda look. Y'all know how baking soda look. It ain't nothing new. It ain't nothing old. It's baking soda. Baking soda can never get old because it's the most thing you mostly work with. Like you can honestly always use this, and yeah, it looks pretty satisfying to me. Like I honestly, it kind of looks like powder. Like you know the powder that you put on yourself. That's what it looked like. So I'm gonna fill this up where also it passed the I used the whole bottle. Oh well, it's going to make it even bigger. I really used the whole bottle. The whole box. I'm scared. I never use like the whole box and with salt. I'm scared. So before I do that, I'm gonna mix this, you know, cause like we ain't cooking. But we in here cooking up some slime. Slime cooking. That's what we doing. Slime cooking. But I'm going ahead and add a little bit more salt just because I'm curious. I'm really curious to see how it's gonna turn out. And I doubt it's gonna turn out slime. I really do doubt it because from my previous experience, like I told you, I never tried this before. But like when I did it with store-bought slime, it turned watery as heck. Like I thought it was gonna actually make slime, but it actually didn't. It actually made the store-bought slime watery, and I'm like, what? Oh no, we don't need that. We already got enough. I feel like I did that on purpose. Like my hand did that on purpose, but I didn't know I was gonna do it on purpose. That sounds so. Okay, so this is how this looking. It honestly just looking like a whole thick baking soda. Like it honestly feel like a whole thick baking soda. I honestly do not feel any salt. Only if the way I feel salt is if I actually like stick my whole hand in and just do this. So I'm gonna add a little bit more salt, and I think that's all the salt we're gonna be using because I honestly do not feel it. Like it's like once it get into this, it dissolves like right away. And I don't know, I don't even think it dissolves, cause like I still can see the little salt sparkles, but I think salt is made out of rocks. No, I'm just playing, y'all. I honestly don't know what salt is made out of. I think I know, but I just forgot because we learned about this how salt was made in science. I don't know where the topic came up from, but the only reason why I'm mixing it, steady mixing it, and not adding the vinegar, because if when I add the vinegar, it's just gonna ruin the whole thing. And I'm gonna add the glue afterwards, and I think when it explodes, that's gonna be my thumbnail. That is gonna be my thumbnail. So I'm gonna mix this one more time. I'm gonna count to 20, and then I'm gonna mix it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so 20 seconds up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this baking soda, vinegar. And you guys might be wondering why I got this bun on my head. This is a new style, so go copy your bonnet and work this style in with your edge, cause this is a hit right here. I'm so scared because I added like so much baking soda. I had the whole bottle. But I think the salt. Yay! Let me go back. Oh, it's about to waste, it's about to waste, it's about to waste, it's about to waste. It stinks. It don't smell delightful. Thumbnail. Oh my god, that was like so satisfying at a point where it wasn't, because it stank like mess. So for real. And then it's still at the bottom. Ew, I'm gonna mix this now. It feels so hard, like. It stinks. Oh my gosh. And it's like it's dissolving at the bottom. Ew. Should I make oobleck slime? Got my mouth. Should I make oobleck? Ew. It's like dry but wet. Should I make oobleck slime? Oobleck, I know oobleck slime will be like really, really fun, because as y'all know, if y'all don't know what oobleck slime is, oobleck slime is basically, I'm gonna try to accomplish making slime with oobleck. If you don't know what oobleck is, it is this certain type of solid. It's like a solid, like when you touch it, say for instance, if I pull this up and I just made this whole bunch of oobleck, if I touch it, it will be solid, like you won't be able to feel it. But if I put it in my hands, it's like a whole liquid. And that's oobleck. So, but what I'm going to try to accomplish is I'm going to try to make it to slime, because I doubt it's going to work, and I hope that it do, because that would be like really, really fun to do. So tell me if I should do it. I feel like I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it for you guys, because I feel like nobody ever actually made oobleck slime. So I feel like it's going to be really fun to accomplish it, because I hope it works, because like if it works, it's stretchy, but when you touch it or hit it, boom. It's hard. Like, that'll just be so cool. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and add the glue. I'm going to add 30 fluid ounces. Yeah, I got it right. 30 fluid ounces of
34.
32. I said 34. I said 34. I think I said 34. 32 fluid ounce.
Sneezes.
Oh, I forgot those was right there. Okay. I really do hope this works. I doubt it's gonna work. Oh my gosh! Do you see that? Do you see that? It's literally like not even going to the bottom. Oh, that was the glue. I repeat, that was the glue. Oh my goodness. Now I really want to get all of it out because like it looks so satisfying. Ain't nothing. It's like a 3-layer. Y'all see it? Oh my gosh. It's like the top layer is glue, the second layer is just like vinegar, and the third layer is mixed with the salt and the vinegar. Oh my god, this looks so freaking exciting. Like, I can't believe I hope, instead of all the excitement, I really do hope. Come on now, come on. Okay. I really do hope that it works. I'm gonna go ahead and add this because I honestly doubt it's gonna do anything. But why not try? Because I just want to try it. I doubt it because it's gonna make a color. I know it's gonna make a color, but it's just not gonna make like a pigment color. I know that for a fact. Hold on. I ain't about to leave a pigment here because I know there's still something here. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add this lavender kind of purple-ish thingy. I'm gonna stick it down in there and see what it do. Try to make like a hole. I'm gonna do it right here so y'all can see. Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is like the best thing ever. Oh my god. That one? Do they see it? And when I'm moving around, I'm so excited. I might think I'm over exaggerating, but for real, like if you was really here in person, you would be doing the same thing. Like, this looks so cool. I'm gonna start doing more things like this because this is like really exciting. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Oh my god, it's like a whole nother layer. Ow. It's like a whole nother layer. I'm gonna try to make it fluffy. I'm gonna try to make it not too fluffy because, you know, I don't wanna, because I might have to use some more after like it get activated and stuff. Did I shake it up? I think I shook it up. I just shook you up. Don't wear with my shirt. I just shook you up. I can't take myself. This looks, I just spit it, but this looks amazing, bro. Like, I never made something that's actually this good looking. Like, it looks so satisfying. Just get a close up on this. Like, get a close up on this. Like, you don't know how happy I am. Look, this looks like so pretty. And then if I just had some more stuff, I just sprinkle this on there. Like, okay, there it is. And it smells amazing. Like amazing. It literally smells divine. It smells gorgeous. That's how good it smells. It smells gorgeous. Like, I can't believe this. I'm gonna see if there's any more of this. Because if there is, that'd be like really cool to add. I shouldn't have added it all. But now, I'm excited to mix this because I really want to see what happens. If it turns to water, I'm gonna be very devastated. Because you know, I add a lot of vinegar. But let's get another thumbnail out. I think I know what I'm doing. It's gonna be real salty. Okay, I'm doing that shaker. And this, I feel like it's gonna be jiggly. I can't even get the rest of it at the bottom, like. What the heck? It looks weird. Like, it looks like it's not even doing anything. Ew, why is it like that? That sounds like so not me. But I'm trying to get like all of it from the bottom because it's like study going to the bottom. I'm using my muscles. Oh my god. I really do hope this turns a color because I'll be very disappointed if it don't turn a color and it will just sort of like to look at me. It's still gonna turn out pretty because I saw I looked in the beginning of it. I feel like it's gonna turn into jiggly slime because of this. And I feel like this stuff and the baking soda had dissolved because of the glue and stuff like that. As you can see, it's the consistency of the fluffy, the shaving cream and the glue and the baking soda and the salt and vinegar is still there, but it's just the fact that most of it had dissolved and it's basically not even there anymore. The vinegar is not even, it basically turned into, turn all that stuff into water, I feel like. And the glue is still there with the shaving cream, but I feel like when I add the activator, it's really not going to do much unless I have to, because I'll probably have to use like a whole bottle. But I honestly don't know. We're just going to try it out. Going to keep mixing until it's all mixed, because every time I lift up this spoon, I still see, like, see that? I still see things in there from the bottom. And as you can see right there, like, it's mostly just the top part that's still just not mixed. And I'm trying to get all of it in before I add activator, because once I add that, because it's like at the bottom part, it's still liquidy. I'm trying so hard not to go in my hands, but I feel like I'm gonna have to, because it's like, oh my god, this feels like, oh, this is cold. This just gave me the chills. Oh my god, and it's dripping. This just gave, oh my god, this literally just gave me the chills. This is cold. I do not know why. Why is it so cold? Like, bro. And it's like the top part is like warm, but once you dig in a little bit deeper, like if you stick your finger like not even half all the way down there, you feel the coldness. Like on the top part, oh, it feels warm. Dig in a little bit, oh, that feels so freaking cold. Like I did not honestly think it's gonna be that cold because of the shaving cream. I'm trying not to make a big of a mess, but you feel me? You gotta get messy not to go big. You feel me? But I'm just going in with my hands. I honestly don't know what I'm mixing that feel like this. But I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to add this activator because it's honestly like, this is like really cold. And I'm just ready to like honestly play with this because like it feels so good, but at the same time it feels weird because it feels like the pigment did not even mix. I still see the pigment. And the baking soda, it didn't dissolve. The salt, I do not feel it, and it feels like it did dissolve. It's just the baking soda and the vinegar and the glue and the shaving cream and the pigment that didn't dissolve yet, like didn't get all the way into the glue. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some more glue, and then I'm gonna activate this. Daddy, can you assist me because can you put some more glue in here? You wanna feel it? This is like so cold. You guys, I don't know what I was thinking, but it's pretty fun. It feels really good. I'm gonna tell you when to stop. That's it. Oh my god. The glue didn't even do anything. It felt like that was just water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and activate this because this looks like egg. This feels insane. Like insane. Like, this is the craziest slime I ever made. And then it feels so cold. Like, and I really do hope it activates. Like, I really do hope it activates because I'll be excited, like really, really happy. It looks like the pigment and this ain't even doing nothing. I really do hope, oh no. Okay, I feel it doing something. I feel it doing something at the bottom. Y'all saw that? Y'all saw that? I feel it doing something. So I think I'm just gotta, I told y'all it's gonna take a whole bottle of activator and like this whole thing. Y'all see this whole thing? This feels so warm. Oh my god, it feels so warm. But I feel like it's mostly the bottom part because there's mostly glue on the bottom part because that's where it mostly like developed that. But all this stuff that's on the table, I feel like that's what's not gonna get activated. But I feel like if I just keep adding glue, I gotta keep adding glue and not for it to fully activate because, oh my god, I just want to like pull my hand because this feels like so warm. But y'all see it has like reacting, like it's like activating, but then it unactivates. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some more glue because I honestly do not want this to go to waste because this feels like, oh my god, this feels so warm because this looks really exciting. I'll be like so happy if it works, but y'all see how this is fun. I don't know if it's gonna work. I really don't know if it's gonna work because like, did I waste some? I waste some? I also do not know if it's actually gonna work. I feel like it's gonna take like a lot of glue, and y'all see how much it's gonna work here. But I feel like if I use a little bit at a time, it would have worked. But since I use it a lot, like all at the same time, it's okay. It's not that I can't fix it or that I can't mix it, because I honestly could do anything. Honestly, if it's looking like this, it was be looking like some stretchy slime that I already made in my previous videos. But it's just the fact that it's like so freaking much. Like you really have to add like a whole bottle to get this activated, and it ain't no problem. But it's just like, whoa there. I feel like I'm probably gonna have to drain this. All this is not even gonna be in here. It's probably just like all of this probably just gonna get drained, and then this is mostly just gonna become slime because all that other stuff that can't go. That it's not gonna activate and it's not gonna work with it. So I think I'm gonna have to drain that. Cause all this is gonna turn into slime. I already know that for a fact. It's gonna turn into slime, but I feel like I have to drain it and for it to turn to slime. Because this literally looks like a purple monster. Not even gonna lie to you. It looks like a purple monster. And it looks cool. I give it credit. I give myself credit. But this looks like really, really crazy, dude. Like, I don't know what in the world I'm thinking, but it's for you guys. So I don't want it to be down. But that have to go because ain't nothing else I could do with that unless I get more glue. And honestly, all that ain't even necessary for no glue. So I think I'm gonna just work with this and probably scoop all of this back in the thing because this This is cold, and I'm over here getting the goosebumps. I don't know if you can see it. Like if you zoom in, you can see it. But I'm about to activate this, probably drain it, because it could turn into slime. I'm not gonna lie, it could turn into slime. As long as if I actually wanted to, it can. Cause y'all can see, it's activated. Y'all see? I feel like this is mostly water. I feel like, cause like I said, when I tried it, this is exactly how it felt out. It's like got drained and all this, and it looks so weird and ooey and gooey. And this, I don't know what to call it. I just know it looks very weird. Not my favorite, but I know I'm gonna scoop all this back into a thingy, and I'm about to activate this for you guys and show y'all how good of a slime queen I am. But it's so nasty. Oh, my bad. But do y'all see this? Like honestly, if I pull all this out, y'all would be so disgusting. Not really, cause it don't feel like it feel weird. It ain't that it's nasty. It just feel weird. Like it feel like just not right. And plus, like, do you see that? Like, it's like, oh my gosh, it's literally like a whole bunch of water, like literally water, and it tastes so salty. Like I know it tastes salty because it popped in my mouth, but it literally tastes like so salty, and it is like don't feel right. Like it feels like. I'm not even gonna get into that, but just know it does not feel good. Y'all can probably see it from my hands. Like this does not feel like some slime I want to play with. Like, but you know, it's slime that it might not be slime that you want to play with, but it's slime that I want to play with because I can honestly fix this. Because y'all know, I could show y'all I'm a slime queen. I could honestly fix anything. Like I said, I could fix underactivated slime. Not even slime yet. I could fix this with the little glue I got. I could fix this. So, see that? This is like literally a glue ball. A glue. It's literally like a glue ball, bro. Like, I can't believe I literally I created this. But I'm about to get back with you guys after I sweep this up, put this back in the bowl, because I'm about to show you guys how to activate this, but this doesn't have to be on the table. But I'm about to get back with you guys after I not activate it, but like put this stuff back in the bowl. Okay, so I am back, and I decided to activate because I was just gonna cause another mess, and this is how it turned out. It didn't turn out exactly how I thought it would. I honestly didn't think it was gonna turn out to be like real stretchy slime, but it turned out pretty decent for it to be a whole bunch of what I used, and it came out with a like pretty medium-sized color, I'll say, but it's decent. I will say that for a fact. It's decent, and it looks pretty. It's pretty good, but I just don't think it's what I was looking for. But if this was just another fun experience to do from, and don't forget to comment down below what you guys want to see a girl do next. Smash that like button, turn your post notification bell to know when I post. Subscribe, and I'll see you another day, another time, another evening, and another night. Do you, be you, and inspire. Peace out, gorgeous nation. Mwah.